In this video, we are going to be discussing 3 types of breakouts and how should you trade them for your own advantage, okay, for maximum profit. Okay, we're going to be looking into 3 different types of breakout in any financial instrument, either cryptocurrency, either stocks, either forex. It doesn't matter what you trade. This strategy works in with all of them. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living and I mentor others to success in Forex. Yes, it's been a while, a lot has been going on, but I am back for good. I am back for you. I am back. Thank you so much, guys. Some of you that really checked on me, send me text message, send me an email, chatted me up. Apostle, what's up? What's going on? We miss you. We've not seen you for a while. So I am here. I am back. So today we're going to be looking into these 3 types of breakout and how you can take advantage of them and which one is the best. Which one will I recommend for you to do? By the way, if this is the first time that you are stumbling on my YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends, share it 10 times, share it 10 times. Then, of course, if there's any topic you want me to cover, leave it at the comment section of this video, okay? So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that and we shall dive in. All right, welcome back. So talking about breakout, okay, when you have any financial instrument, let's say for instance like a forex, okay, we all know that the market trend, okay, 30% of the time, okay, market doesn't just like go up or go down. Market doesn't do that. So most of the time we have impulsive move, we have corrective move, we have impulsive move, we have corrective move, impulsive move, impulsive. And sometimes when you have this period, sometimes there might be a period of let's say like consolidation, whereby the market is moving, then all of a sudden it starts like a ranging right here. You all know that the market does 3 things. It's either it's ranging or it's trending up. Okay, it's either it's trending up or it's trending down or it's ranging. Okay, and you know that when the market is trending up, what you should be looking forward to do is you are looking forward to what? To buy. And when the market is trending down, what you are looking forward to do is to what? To sell. It doesn't matter any financial instrument you are trading. And when the market is ranging, most of the times, what do? You stay off that particular instrument. You stay off. So now, at this particular time, when the market is ranging, or what we can call consolidation like this, where you can easily pick the top, you can easily see the bottom of it. So now, how do you trade this? What do you do? What most people do is that they will pick, they will enter like a pending order, both buy and sell. So when the market breaks out, then they will close the other one. Now, the danger in that is that there are some markets, that the volatility is so high that once it breaks out, it go up, it comes down. So it cuts both stop losses, both up and down, and then start going on its way. So now, how do you trade this kind of market? So that is what we are talking about. That is, we have 3 types of breakouts. So the first one is, if we have a market like this, okay, and the market start ranging like this, start ranging like this, start ranging like this. So we have the top, we have the bottom right here. So the very first type of breakout is what I call straight breakout. Straight breakout, in which the market just break out and start going up. So in this situation, you cannot be chasing it. You can't chase the market. And sometimes it will just maybe come and break out downward and never come back and start going down. So something of this nature most of the times you cannot chase it. You cannot chase it. You can't chase the market, because what some people try to do is, okay, they expect this market to come back and it doesn't come back. And what they try to do now is, okay, you just maybe now try to short this pair. Now, immediately they short it, then the market reverses against them. And if this one is going up, and they try to, okay, now, oh, let me just buy. And by the time they buy this, before you know it, the market just go against them, and that leads to loss. So the first type is what I call the straight breakout. Okay, straight breakout. Most of the times, 99.9% of the time, you are not expected to trade this, except if you have, you know, the way you can trade this is maybe you have already projected it that, okay, this market is going to break out upward, and you already have a pending order in place. So if you have a pending order in place, then that will be your luck. And then congratulations. So let's say, for instance, like in this situation, you have a ranging market. I know the market is ranging, and maybe you already have a pending order buy stop. Okay, you already have a buy stop right there. Then when the market just break out, boom, and never come back, this will be to your advantage. But then what if it doesn't come your way? Or what if it breaks out, come back, and so on and so forth, which the market does most of the time, especially during the news. Okay, so that is the first one. The first types of a breakout is what I call the straight breakout or momentum breakout, and most of the time you are not expected to trade it. Okay, the second one, the second types of breakout is, we will continue after this commercial break.
Many people want to make money with the Forex market, but they don't have the time to go through rigorous training, the high coaching or training fee, or the required patience to learn how to trade the Forex market. Study shows that over 70% of Forex traders lose money. You don't have to join the statistics. What if I told you there's a better way? You can be earning while you are learning. Yes. You can be making full-time income in Forex while you are sharpening your skill in trading. What if I could show you how to make passive and consistent daily profit in Forex without you actively trading Forex? What if I could show you how to make up to 40% monthly return on your capital leveraging IPrime Capital? Revolutionary artificial intelligence that trades for you 24/5. Would that pique your interest? If your answer is a loud yes, then visit www.nyipcapital.com to learn more today.
All right, welcome back. So the second type of breakouts that we will be discussing is what I call fake out. Okay, fake out. Okay, it's a breakout, but it's a fake one. One of my mentors in Australia call it fakey. They call it fakey. So now, fake out or fakey. So it breaks out. I mean, just like the name implies. So it breaks out. Let's say, for instance, like this, we have the market like this. Okay, we have this like this, then like this. The market break out, and you think, okay, it's going to continue going up, and then it comes back and possibly go the other way around. So it break out like this, then immediately come back to the range and then go the opposite direction. That is fake out. So, and that is their disadvantage. Remember the first one we discussed, if you had put a pending, let's say like a buy stop or sell stop, buy stop in this situation, and that trade triggers and immediately come against you, is going to cut off your stop loss, and that will end in loss. So that is the second type of the breakout that we're discussing. Then the third type, which is the one that I recommend, that's the one I trade most of the time, is what I call breakout, retest, and continuation. So we have a market like this, a ranging. Okay, I'll be using up. So this time around, let's use down. Let's let the market break out downward. So it breaks out, retest, okay, retest that last zone right there, then continue. So this is the type that you will be looking forward to trade. Breakout, retest, continuation. So let that sink in right there. BRC, breakout, retest, continuation. That is what you want to be trading. That is the one you want to be looking into. So you have a market like this. Maybe it's the market has been going up. I entered there, ranges and ranges and ranges, and right here it breaks out. You want to wait for breakout. I mean for retest, then continuation. Now, in this continuation, there are two types of traders. We have aggressive and we have conservative. Aggressive trader, immediately they see rejection right here. Maybe like any entry trigger, like a pin bar, like inside bar, or whatever kind of triggers that, signal that they have. They just enter the trade immediately right here, and the stop loss can come right below there, and they just, harvest the pips. But the conservative ones will wait for this particular ISI right here to break out, break this area, then before they enter the trade. Okay, so this what I just narrated right now, what I just described, you can use it in any financial instrument, but you can also trade this with any system. For instance, if you are using any of my systems, either Tradermatic, or you are using FX Sniper, or you are using Easy PCFX, or you are using Forexmatic 360, these strategies goes with all of them. But I'm going to be using FX Sniper to show you how you can trade this particular strategies, talking about breakout. Okay, we'll continue immediately after this short breakout, short commercial break.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.
All right, welcome back. So let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart and see what we are talking about. So let's take, for instance, like this Euro USD right here. Okay, this is FX Sniper. By the way, if you are thinking, okay, how can I get this system? Link is going to be at the description of this video. So make sure you click on it. So you see this this chart. Okay, this is a London session. Okay, this is Asian, right? This is the top of the Asians. This is the bottom of the Asians, and this particular breakout, you can see we have breakout, then it come back immediately. So this is what I would call a fake out. This is a fake out because it breaks out. If you have entered that trade, this would have ended in loss, because if you have entered this trade right now, this would have been, let's say, for instance, you would have waited. The breakout candle actually is this red one, right? So if you had placed this trade, this would have been possibly where you would have put your trade. And you can see what happened right there. If you had put your trade right here, then your stop loss would have been possibly, somewhere right there, because you can see the trend coming down right there. Now, what we want during Asian session actually is a ranging market. But in this case now, I can see that the market trend down. So the market already trended down, and you don't even want to be trading that. So taking a look at this, it breaks out and it's just immediately go back inside. That is a fake out. That's a fake out. Another example would be Nasdaq. Nasdaq also did the same thing. When you look at this also with this, now this was also ranging, then it breaks out like this. You can see it breaks out. Now, if you are entering this trade, this trade would have been after this green candle. But see what happened immediately? It comes back right inside. So you have to wait. Once there's a breakout, wait very well for you before you enter that particular trade. Okay, the second type that we are talking about is what I call the straight breakout. Okay, the straight breakout. Now, like a straight breakout, let's take a look at CAD yen. Actually traded that this morning. So CAD yen, as you can see, this is a straight breakout. Now, the reason why I was lucky to trade this morning was because I was able to personally capture this bullish engulfing candle right there. So once I saw that, then I just put my pending order right there, and I put my stop loss right there, and I was able to just write these little pips. And immediately I saw this Phoenix, then I exited my trade. But if you are waiting to trade it as a breakout, then this is a straight breakout, because it breaks out and it never comes back. Because what you are expecting, or what you should expect as a trader, is for this market to come back and retest this area. This is the resistance zone that it breaks. Okay, it breaks out. In fact, you can even see in this situation, if you don't look at it very well, you will think, okay, this has breakout retest. But we can't look at this as a breakout retest, because it didn't really come back. It didn't really come back right there. Okay, then the third example that we talk about is the breakout, retest, and continuation. Breakout, retest, and continuation. And I'm using this as an example. This is a 5-minute chart, Euro CHF, as you can see. Let me turn this one to line chart for you to see it very, very clearly. So look at what happened. It breaks out. Okay, the market breaks out right here. This is the line right there. It breaks out, it retests. Okay, and we now have our signal. You see that arrow right there. The arrow gives you that now you can what? You can now go. You can see that arrow right there. I just turn it. You see right there. See right there. The arrow gives you. So in this situation now, you enter after that candle closes. So that's what you will do. You will enter the trade immediately after the close of that candle right there, because it breaks out, retest, then continue. So now if we enter this trade, you enter immediately after this pin bar. In fact, that is congruent right there. So, and where would you have taken your profit? The profit would have been right there when you see that Phoenix. Your stop loss, if you are a conservative, your stop loss would have come right above here. But if you want to follow the stop loss for the system is right there, 1.02422. So this strategy, you can use it for both higher time frame, smaller time frame, lower time frame, medium time frame. It doesn't matter. Once you just understand it, you begin to profit with it. So once again, I want to thank you so much for your time. And in case you are looking forward to somebody to mentor you in Forex, okay, you need to learn it the right way. You need to learn it the right way. Then, of course, I will be privileged to be your mentor. So there should be a link also at the description of this video. Click on it and it will take you to where you can schedule an appointment with me. We can just talk and see if you qualify for the quality of my time. Right now, I select personally who I work with. I don't work with tire kickers. I don't work with complainants. So if that is you, that you are ready to do what it takes, then I'm available to work with you. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you guys at the top.
Many people want to make money with the Forex market, but they don't have time to go through rigorous training, the high coaching or training fee, or the required patience to learn how to trade the Forex market. Study shows that over 70% of Forex traders lose money. You don't have to join the statistics. What if I told you there's a better way? You can be earning while you are learning. Yes, you can be making a full-time income in Forex while you're sharpening your skill in trading. What if I could show you how to make passive and consistent daily profit in Forex without you actively trading Forex? What if I could show you how to make up to 40% monthly return on your capital, leveraging IPrime Capital, revolutionary artificial intelligence that trades for you 24/5? Would that pique your interest? If your answer is a loud yes, then visit www.freedombiz.net to learn more today.